So this is not luxury related, but I'm doing a midway unboxing because my husband and I bought the Google 6 Pixel phone, and well, that's his over there. Yeah, and I decided to do the unboxing video halfway, so I'm putting mine back in here, but you know, he's got pretty much the same thing except his is in black and mine is in white. It's the protective case. Well, the protective case pretty much looks like that, which is what he has over here. And there you go. Pixel. It's this beautiful sage green color, and of course it's going to look darker because it's see-through against his black one, and mine is the white one. So let's have a look at it. So here we have it. I've already, you know, torn open this little tabs on these little tabs on the side that comes here. I tore it off so we can unbox this. Wow, there you go. What am I saying? Oh, here we are. This is my beautiful phone. It feels kind of hefty on the weight. It's a nice feeling, a nice weight. Here we go. Ooh. It's extremely smooth. It does, this camera bit over here does stick out somewhat. I guess it's because they are supposed to have a really powerful camera right now. That's me filming myself, my old camera. Yep, hi. And I was in the middle of setting this up. So I'll be right back with that. But anyway, here is that short little unboxing video. Here we have the Google Care Card. It's probably the instruction manual. Yep. These are the little bits. It's a USB-C cable. And the adapter. Right. That's what we have in here. Okay. That's what it comes with. Alright, so this is what we have. That's my husband's black Pixel over here. That's the black one, and this one is the white one. There we go. Nice. It's really cool as well. It's this charcoal stormy gray color. It's pretty masculine and beautiful. Oh, his is starting to load up, I guess. Pixel 6, I can't wait to use it.